Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, let's tap on the screen to wake it up, and now we can quickly jump through the already pre-installed watch faces by just swapping right or left on the screen, like this. Or we can just touch and hold firmly on one of them, like that, to open the watch face menu. And here we can do the same, we can scroll through them, and if we want we can tap customize right here on the bottom, and in here we can customize our watch faces. For example, we can change the dial color by just using a digital crown, scrolling with it like this, up and down. When we swipe left, we can here change the, I think, color of the widgets. As you can see, we can scroll through them, and then at the end we can change the widgets themselves. We can swap them. For example, let's tap on messages right here, and we can use our digital crown to go through the applications we want to use. For example, let's select, I don't know, it can be workout, I guess. You can also tap right here on the word clock and change it to whatever we want. And once you're done, just press the digital crown to confirm, and then press it again to exit the watch face menu. We can also use our phone to change the watch face. So let's take our iPhone right here. Let's wake it up, and then open the watch application on our iPhone. Here, let's go back to the main page, and as you can see here we have category My Faces, and we can change them by just tapping on one of them, for example. And here we can edit them. We can change the color, type of dial, and style, like that. And once we're done, we can scroll down and tap on Set as Current Watch Face. And let's see, as you can see, it worked. We can also go back and tap Edit right here. And here we can remove and add the watch faces from the list. We can also switch their order if you want. And once we're done, tap down. And finally we can tap on Face Gallery right here. And here we can install some custom watch faces. For example, let's find the one we like. This one looks funny, so let's tap on the Mickey Mouse watch face. And here we can select color. We can select the character on the bottom. And once we're done, tap Add right here. And this watch face is gonna be added to our watch face list right here, as you can see. And now we can it switched automatically, but now we can open the watch face list right here, and we're gonna see it right here. We can also, I think, tap customize and change the character, change the color, and change the widgets, of course. And once we're done, just press the crown. And I think that should be all. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.